Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tonyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino igqokile uthengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Dlamini, no. There's some. Why are the dogs running away from you? They come to me, and then when it's your turn, they're just running away from you.
Yeah, I'm the pit bull. The pit bull, they run away.
You're a dog yourself.
I'm a dog myself. I'm a big dog. So when they see me, they...
Zamini, that's not a dogs can read energy. Dogs can read energy. They love me, but
I don't have negative energy. I love dogs.
But why are they coming to me and running away from you? Hi guys. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Listen, I'm sorry to ambush you. I go around asking couples questions, ne?
Yeah.
Just like a little couples quiz. Would you guys be okay with it?
I don't know. You just have to ask her.
Girl,
With it.
would you be okay with it? Just a quiz and then you guys can go. Like just 5 questions.
Ufuna ngicabangan. Aye, but bafuna ukuzibuza imibuzo and then they are done. I don't know.
As a couple, just a quiz, nje. Huh?
I'm comfortable if she's comfortable.
Are you comfortable?
If she's comfortable with it, I'm comfortable.
Are you comfy, girl? Okay. Can I have you guys this side, ne? I'll just stand between you guys. In between. Come this side, my lady. Okay, name?
My name is Sfiso.
Sfiso and? Pinda, we fine over here. Is the lighting good? Yeah. Okay, and?
My name is Thandeka.
Thandeka and Sfiso.
Yeah.
Okay, where did you meet with Sfiso Thandeka?
Yes.
Nihlangane kuphi?
Mhlangane eJozi.
At Jozi?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the first thing that you said to her when you saw her?
Well, when I saw her, I mean, like you can see, she's actually
She's sexy.
She's sexy.
Oh, that's what you like?
I like the fact that she's sexy and she likes my energy. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah, that's what I saw. When the look she gives into my eyes, yeah, that's sexy.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think your guys' height difference is actually height difference. Sorry, is very cute.
Yeah,
Okay, is that what you liked as well?
yeah, I like picking them up.
Oh, okay, sir. Uyamba Thandeka uthi uyathanda ukufunqula. Is that what you like? Uyayithanda laa nto mane ekufunqula? Hayi.
She's just shy.
Shy.
Ngeke ayikhulumi.
Okay, uThandeka. Kusisikhathi esingakanani nijolo noSifiso?
Sinonyaka.
Sinonyaka.
Yeah. I can
Okay.
actually read it properly. We're going to a year next month, so we've been doing it for like 11 months.
Oh, okay. So March is going to be a year.
Yeah, it's gonna be a year.
Okay.
Time flies, yeah.
Literally. Okay, what is it? Uthanda ntoni ngoSifiso Thandeka? Thandeka, uthanda ntoni ngendoda yakho Thandeka?
Ngithanda indlela nje akayiyo nendlela akangiphatha ngayo.
Ne-height, appearance-wise. Height. Uyayithanda i-height?
Yeah, ngiyithanda.
Okay, sinike kaloku i-look. Yintoni oyithandayo ngayo i-look outside, xa umjonge outside.
Ngithanda isimali sakhe.
Ismile sakhe.
Yeah.
So i-height ne-smile, sicela usinike yesithathu.
Okwesithathu. Ngithanda umzimba wakhe.
Okay.
Ngithanda ismile. Ngithanda ukuma kwakhe.
Yindoda ne-brackets. Kaloku kukho amadoda amelolu hlobo, ne? And then kukho aba, you understand? Unjani yena?
Ume kahle.
Akanaki knock knees. I-kiss madoda.
Right, kuthi ngoba uyabo uma endaweni etshekile yabo. Endaweni eqondile uzoma right.
Oh. We have to ask kaloku sibheke these jeans ziyana ziba kwakho so we can't see i-shape yemilenze, you understand? Okay. What is it that you like about Thandeka?
First thing, I like her mindset. I like her body. I like the fact that she doesn't give me pressure. Like
Pressure, what?
what type of pressure?
You see, you've spoken now.
Yeah.
What's pressure? So what's is it financial
Whenever
pressure?
she wants something, I get it for her. If she doesn't like ask for a lot of things, she's just free. I just do my things free willingly.
Yeah, and she's
That I have
appreciative.
And she appreciates everything I do for her.
That's good. I mean, you guys are young. You don't need that kind of pressure.
We don't.
Intombazane ibiceli with, you understand? And you sound like as a natural girly.
Natural.
And she looks good natural.
Natural.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10 though, how much do you trust her?
Don't take any offense, right? I'd say 6. I'm sorry. I just
6?
6, yeah.
Why?
I don't really trust people. I don't trust
People in general, or you don't trust the Sandek?
everyone, but how she's going, if she keeps on doing it right, I can give her like a 10 on trust. If she keeps on doing it, she does it, yeah.
Okay. Thandeka ngona uyamthemba uSifisa?
Ngiyangithemba.
Kamnike on a scale of 1 to 10 ungamnika out of 10 ungamnika ntoni? Mhlambi 5 out of 10, umthemba 8 out of 10 like.
Hayi ngithemba 10%.
Yani so 100% 10 out of 10.
Ngiyamthemba impela kakhulu.
So zangenza into efani uSifisa uqomba andithembi le ndoda.
Bengakambuki kanjalo.
Wakhe wayibona yona kodwa ifoni yakhe.
Fona yakhe bengakayiboni.
So ke ukuthandeka umthemba njani 10 out of 10 if uzange wayibona ifoni?
Khathi siningi ngijwayele ukuhlala naye yabo nje. Bengakaze ngibone izinto ade akangenzele zona.
Ezifani. But ke xa iphuma nechomi even like uba comfortable uba right emoyeni. Uyamthemba naxa iphuma nechomi ba kenza into efani.
Hayi ngithembi ke lapho.
But thandeka le nto kaloku umnika 10 out of 10. So awumthembi phaya
Hayi.
ezichomini. So ungamnika ke mhlawumbe 7 or 8 out of 10 ulishiye la 3 in case uyachita nyani.
Hayi.
Thandeka unomnika 10 mnika enye inamba.
Hayi ngimnikeza 3%.
So 3 out of 10.
Yehla manje.
Ne?
Sengimbhekile ngambuza ukuthi hey lo muntu lo
Asezibongo 10.
ngiyambuka lo bengakacabangi kahle yabona manje sengiyambuka ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo nobwrong akanabo ke manje.
What type of wrong?
So right ba ku 3 out of 10.
Hayi ngilayithi 3 impela.
3. Okay, so 3 out of 10. No offense.
I'll take offense.
Yeah.
God,
Well,
yeah.
I'll give you a strong 3 though. It's a strong 3.
I
Not
don't know what it is. But it's okay. I'll take it.
You'll take it.
Yeah, we'll build on that.
Okay. Where are you? Like, where do you guys stay? You look like a Braamfontein gent.
Yes.
Urban, your mabonengs.
Nah.
You look very, the piercings.
Joburg.
The piercings.
I mean, Joburg, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the whole of Joburg, the whole 2198, yeah. Yes.
So you wouldn't cheat on her with someone that looks like you in terms of like tattoos, the tats and the...
Nah, I wouldn't.
That's
She has
not your type.
sense. I don't want people that look like me.
Oh, okay,
Like
okay.
Different, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thandeka ne? In the sense of show, we make couple switch phones. Ne? So niyachinja ifoni and then you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. Nijonga WhatsApp, uzojonga wako WhatsApp, uzojonga wako WhatsApp. Yeah. We testing your guys' loyalty. Sifuna ukubona Thandeka if anichitelana and jolelana. Yeah, understand? Is that fine?
Yeah.
I don't like that face.
No, wait. It's okay. I don't think I have anything to hide unless she has something to hide.
Okay.
I think I'm fine.
You think you're fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like to believe so, yeah.
Okay. Thandeka akho nto ifihlayo efonini? Izimanga.
Ash.
Thandeka? Thandeka, this is not the time to be shy because if you got into ifihlayo sis, akho nto ifihlayo efonini. Theni ngathi awukho sure.
Angikho sure phone.
Excuse me. Sicela ifoni ke Thandeka. Sicela ifoni Sifisa.
Phone.
Yeah.
Awufoni ngathi phone Thandeka.
Phone yami.
Yeah, let's just go through it. You know, we've been through a lot
Okay.
together.
Who decide amongst each other whose phone we start with? Whose phone should we start with? Siqale ngefoni kabani? Siqale kaSifiso. Hey!
You can start.
We can start with your phone.
No worries.
Okay, this is your one, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a passcode, password? Thandeka suba shy. Sincede, please, ngasenzeli loo nto. Just face the camera for me, love you. Okay, iya kuWhatsApp again, eh? What do you usually type in English, Zulu?
Either language.
Doesn't matter.
Yes.
Okay. Thandeka? Okay. Qofa apha ku-search, ne?
Okay.
Okay, bhala ke phaya. Love you.
Yeah.
Okay, nguwe mos lona. Apha. Okay. Nguwe mos apha phezulu, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, inyuka. Okay, andibona into esnacks. Awukhona into esnacks ayibonayo?
Yo, ngiyabona muzi. Ngiyabona.
Ubona ntoni na Thandeka into engayiboniyo mna? Okay, ngena. Kwi-chat. Okay, ngena kwi-chat, ne? Ngena. Sifiso,
Yeah.
sibona izinto apha.
What do you guys see in that side? Mbona?
Ngubani ule nto uzibhalisa?
Yeah.
But this is just my friend. She's just a friend of mine. It's just a friend.
That you tell you love her on a regular basis.
No. It's just like a friendship type of love. She was just heartbroken, so I was just trying to like.
Comfort her.
I just comfort her. It's nothing crazy. She knows.
Okay.
I wouldn't do that.
Okay, uyamazi ubhalisa Thandeka? Uthi yitshomi yakhe.
Angimazi.
That's my friend.
Awumazi ubhalisa?
Angimazi.
But you just said she knows ubhalisa.
Do you know, like, sometimes I have female friends that, you know, help me.
Umngane wakho kanjani ekubeni ubhala lokhu ukubhalela efonini?
It's just like a friend. There's nothing that we're doing. Akunalutho siyenzayo mina nobhalisa.
Kanjani ngibona izinto ezithola efonini?
Things like what?
Ngibo ukuthi nibhalilela niyathandana nalo muntu lo.
Listen,
The emotion.
Umngane umbhalele lezi zinto lezi umbhalele zona lezi engiyibonayo la efonini.
I was trying to hook Balisa up with my friend. So he was using my phone to chat. You understand?
So, Sister, no.
why
What was it? Was she heartbroken? Were you trying to hook her up? Because now you're telling us two
Sometimes
different
she
things.
comes and comfort her, and I thought that maybe she's not gonna be comfortable with it. So sometimes I bring my friend, so I could see like she has some feelings going on, but at least she can go for my friend. So my friend was using my phone to like type and everything.
Okay. Thandeka, uyafuna umfonela ubhalisa uchekisha ba yitshomi nyani?
Yeah,
I
ngiyafuna.
think she's in class right now. Can you guys call her like later? And
Nigga, I'm going home, okay? I need to do my job. I need to go the fuck home.
you know that the females,
So ubhalisa?
it's a female friend,
Ndeka simfonele nguwe.
Bhalela uyibonisa ibhale ila.
just a
Ayikhombisi
friend.
ukuthi
It's
njengo
just
mngane.
a normal. I
Mama
love
isikhathi
you.
ndiba ndifuna inamba yakhe va. But then after that you guys go further and there's flirting as well. So what do you mean?
She's just a friend of mine. Just a.
What about the
There's no
flirting
flirting,
later?
just showing her a friendship treatment.
Friendship treatment, you say?
Yeah.
Hey,
Just needed a shoulder to cry on.
izinto enizenzayo Sifiso, you guys are gonna give us gray hairs. If you had told me one story, I would have heard you out.
She's just a friend.
Hi, can I please speak to Balisa?
It's in class.
Hello.
She's not in class. Hi, am I speaking to Balisa?
Yes.
Hambus, mazo Sifiso.
Selibuza yamazi uSifiso.
Yeah.
Ungabe uyini naye?
Siyathandana.
Niyathandana?
We're not dating.
Sikela
but-
nini nithandana?
Isikhathi
Sikhathi
esingaka-
singakanani nithandana?
Sina 2 months. Akusukudala kakhulu.
I just told you she has feelings for me. Angijoli buddies.
Balisa, uthi uSifiso akajoli nawe.
Balisa, what we had, we're not even dating. I don't know why you're telling her that we're dating. You know my girlfriend now. What are you doing? You're trying to jeopardize this. Wenzani?
But you told me that you'll break up with him.
But I haven't even broken up with. Like, we were just fighting. We're just having our own clashes.
So you did say that. So you did say that.
Just my friend.
Yeah, I was going to argument because
Ah.
But I told you, let's just keep it on a friendship. What you mean with Nana Osajol?
I was on Jilly.
Come on, Palisa, come on. Yeah, like, you're just trying to like ruin some things for me.
I'm motion.
So what are you doing? How are we dating?
Hey, please believe me.
When last Golani nombona usfisa?
Sunday.
Okay, thank you, Pali.
I was with my friends, so she came when we were smoking. We were not doing anything.
So she's not lying. She did see you Sunday.
We did have our own complications and fights and everything, but I didn't think it was something as serious or anything like that.
Uyazibona ukuthi ungenza isilima.
But Beg, I'm right here with you.
Uyazibona ukuthi ungenza isilima utheni kimi uthe yini naye?
We're just friends.
Kanjani? Angithi uyamuza uthini? Angisiwazi la question akaphendulile ku.
She's just my friend. Akikho into esiyenzayo
mina. Ngithembe kanjani mina?
But baby, you know what we've been through together. You know what we've been through together.
Uyiphendulele ilugeli. Uyiphendulele ilugeli washo yonke into.
Obviously ufuna ukusixabanisa. That's what she's doing. You know how girls are. Come on.
Ifoni.
Xabanisa kanjani benithandana bakhaso?
Asandai mina. Even on the Sunday we didn't even do anything, me and her.
Here's your phone.
It was a mistake. It was a mistake.
Uthe wena ke no right mangabe nawe. Uthi yena uthena manithanda nawe.
Uyonwaba.
Happy mangabe nawe.
Yeah, I'm sorry. There's nothing about doing. I'm sorry. Ayikho into esiyenzayo. Ezamusixabana.
Ayikho into exolisayo kimi yeso. Ayikho into exolisayo kimi.
So manje, what are you trying to say?
Angeke ngixolele ngalutho mina.
So yamshi?
Hayi ngizomshiya shem.
Just think about the things that we've been through together.
But you still cheated.
Yazi into engizoyenza ukuthi yipi? Kuzofuneka ukuthi kufike ugeli la, kube khona ugeli la eduze kwami ukuze khani ngizokhola ephendule ngikhona la phambi kwakho. So u2.
So after half niyama niyokhangela ugirl, ne? Nizancokola.
We don't even need to be doing.
Hayi ngifuna kube khona ugeli la phambi kwethu. Ukuze khani wena uzozikhethela ukuthi uthanda abaphathi kwethu.
Yo, phone yakho
on your phone as well. Let's see what's going on with you. Because I told you me and Palisa were just friends. I know
oh, na password. Okay, okay. So check yakho ku phone Thandeka. So dilishana no Sifiso late.
It's nothing that me and
just
her
face
doing.
The cameras, my scratch. Okay.
Okay.
Go on to the WhatsApp, eh?
Okay.
Okay. Type love you. Yo uzotaba ngesizulu ne? Utype ngesizulu, okay. Tamini Shams? Ngiyakuthanda ne?
Okay. Ngiyakuthanda. Okay.
I don't see anything, don't you?
I see myself.
Yeah.
It's just me. Yeah, it's just me here.
Okay, okay, okay.
Well,
delete that. Type Woza.
Woza. I see it's me again here. Okay, that's your friend. Oh, Ashley. Okay, cool.
Okay, delete that. Type Ngaphandle. Let's see who's fetching a woman.
Okay. Okay, that's when I fetched you. Okay, that's me again this morning. Then who? What's going on here? Am I seeing things? I see a lot of deleted messages after that.
Ten good delete.
Why are you deleting messages? Manje nama secret.
So thina njani ba udilitha message sibona ntoni thina Thandeka apha
so ngibona ukuthi ngiphandle lana and your responses are deleted zikhipana.
Yokusho ukuthi iqofeke ngephutha ke lapha.
And it makes sense for you to delete izinto because awunayo ne-password Thandeka for ifone yakho. So ufuna xa ingena angaboni nix.
Let's go to media.
Ithini into yakho Thandeka?
Media. Then who is this guy here?
Sibona izinto apha Thandeka.
Who's this guy here?
Unqunu nje Thandeka.
Who's this guy that you're with here? So now you're sending naked pictures. You never send me these videos. It's just the number here. I'm saving ngigama. Ngisho ufuna ukusave amagama. So who is this person right here?
Sorry.
Sorry what? Who is this person? Yinto yenzayo. Thandeka yinto yenzayo.
Sorry.
Oh, Babu, hi.
Ulandela izinja lana futhi. Ulandela izinja.
How are you, Baba?
Izinja nje yini ubani lona?
Hi. How are you?
Obvious dogs can see each other. Izinja kahle kahle wena.
Hi, Baba. You're biting me, Nunu. Hi, baby. How are you?
Videos of this. Yini into yenzayo Thandeka?
Go to mommy. Go to mommy.
Yini? How come I never had this video clip?
Hi. He doesn't want to leave. Bye, Papa. Go.
Njengalenja le.
Izinja zakho. Thandeka uzosiphendula bangubani lo? Kubani Thandeka lo?
Mazi phone ngiphethe siswami.
Sizafona ke ngoku. Okay, it's fine, masifone.
Can you call this number here?
Yeah.
Because I'm ngumsiva this guy. Who the fuck is that guy in manje?
Hayi makoto.
Huh? Who is this person, Thandeka? Ngubani lo muntu lona Thandeka?
Iyadla ngobhalwa phakathi.
Igama nanti. Sabelo. Nanti.
Do you know you're sending people naked pictures?
Hey.
Let's see who this guy is.
It's Ngusabelo. At least you got the name.
So why didn't you save the contact?
Because at least maybe I'm saver umuntu that you send naked pictures to. Ithini into yakho?
You're even looking into my eyes. I think I can trust you after what I just saw right now. Let's just call this guy. I don't know why you're looking into my eyes.
Hi, can I please speak to Sabelo?
Hello? Yo, man, I've just got your numbers from Thandeka's phone here. What's going on?
Who are you? What's happening?
Hey, my name is Fiso.
The
My name is
spit is
Fiso.
on the mic. I touched my face.
And why are you calling me?
Yeah, I'm calling you because I saw Thandeka sending you naked pictures. I just want to know who are you, man? When?
I'm a boyfriend.
What the fuck you mean, a boyfriend? How long you guys been seeing each other?
Does that matter?
How long you guys been seeing each other?
Does it matter to you?
Unasabelo bloma kren.
Should I come there?
It's my location. If seko ungazongigwajisa wena yini man. How do you know? Umazela va okelwa wena.
You called me. Uthi ngiyagwajisa.
Ngithi umazela va okelwami. Ukelwami lona kusukelwa wakho na sana. Yahleka. Huh?
You're gonna fight me over a bitch.
Bra.
You're gonna fight me over a bitch.
Baba send your location ngizwakale that side.
Hayi baba, for real.
Uthuthola naye kanjani? Umbiza ngebeach wena ugelwami wena.
Icherry yami.
Icherry yakho kanjani? Ucherry wami lona.
Awumhloniphi mos.
Baba.
Ubani uSabelo manje? Ngicela uzikhulumele wena. Usikhulumele here. There she is. Yeah. Uthi akakwazi yena.
Nangu Thandeka Sabelo usakakwazi.
Hello.
Yebo.
Yeah, who's that Barry that just said they dating you? What's going on, Kandi?
Hey, angikwazi ngikhatha nomuntu wami. Yabona ke ukuthi ngikhatha nomuntu wami.
Ubani wena vele?
Mina.
Angikwazi mos angikwazi.
Since when?
What the fuck are you doing, kanti wena?
Angimazi mina lo muntu lo ngimazi.
Do you know how much time I had to clear up just to see you today?
Ngimazi lo muntu lona ngimazi.
Neni yini le
Yeah,
yenza? Kumele mina ngiyachiza kanti unisena.
Kanti nawe wenza day 1 Thandeka.
Now fuck off man wena.
Yo ngithethe into engekho.
What do you mean? Usendele into engekho usendele ulantu uzonqunu i-pictures.
Just the fucking
Usendele uSabelo unqunu i-pictures.
Yo siswa amadepe sifoni.
ephethe ifoni yenza.
But nguwe mos that's on the pictures.
Fucking bitch.
And you're sending naked pictures with your face, Thandeka. Unesibindi. Into yakho.
And I should have believed those guys. They were telling me ukuthi bothengisa ngisho wena. Bothengisa ngisho wena. Bothengisa wena.
Things just.
Yeah?
Sa in.
Imagine the things I had to do. Imagine the other people I had to cut off just for you.
Oh.
Kwazi lokho mina.
Kuthengisa Thandeka.
What the fuck are you doing? What's this now?
Kusukela usifiso.
So ngibizeleni ukuthi namhlanje. Why did you even choose to like miss me today? Yini oyenzayo? Nah, fuck off, man.
Kodwa uyangisukela lento eshoyo.
Okay, but
After everything I've did for you.
But to be fair, Sviso, both of you guys are cheating on each other.
I'm not even cheating. And then what are you doing? Sending pictures.
But
So they're sending dick pictures to that lady.
Kanjani uyisho lo yena uthi nathandani? Somngane wakho loyi.
Isn't I was just telling you it's a normal friendship, love.
Vuma,
The fuck is this? Eh?
Vuma ukuthi
But Upali said something else, Sviso, so we,
Yeah,
Everything I
we
did for
can't
you.
take your word for it.
You know
So,
how much things I had to cut off just to meet you today? Nah, fuck off,
kanti
man.
uyafeba Thande.
naye
told you.
siyafana naye.
Hey, when uyafana unyanisile.
Naye uyafeba.
Ngisengicela block umdelete lo mchita lona. Block umdelete manje.
Nawe block umdelete ugel.
Ah, ngimind. Ngithi block lo umdelete lo
Wena,
mchita
wena.
lona.
Okay, kupani phone kagazi nini. You? I need to see if you're doing it. Sviso. Delete.
I deleted.
You blocked, you didn't delete. Thandeka. Yenza delete block.
The fuck are you doing? After everything we did together.
Ha, Vuma ufuna ungishaya. Hawu.
You pissed me off.
Okay, blocked. Okay, so
Ngiyisa, yes.
so nizahlala ke guys together.
Nawe uyanyanyisa. Shuthi siyafana mina nawe. Shuthi siyanyanyisa sobabili.
Yeah. Shami,
Sam, let's just go. Can you see what you've been doing? Can you see if we didn't meet you?
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry about?
I'm sorry.
Nah, what are you sorry
For
about?
ruining your day.
Nah, come on, let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Ngashan, man.
Thandeka, I mean, you guys deleted and blocked people for each other. You might as well go together.
Man.
Like, honestly.
Hayibo ufuna ungishaya.
Hey, Sahin, man. Oh, come on. Baby. Khulume, baby. Baby, ngizokhuluma nawe.
As long as they, I mean, even though I'm not violent, we can leave the couple to
Yeah.
sort it out. And that's what I found.
Ngaphakamisa isibaya.
Yeah. Yo, did you see the dramatic? So the dog had spit on the mic, and then the spit on the mic touched my face. Yeah. So these dogs that love me are also sabotaging me.
Udla amathenje.
No, it was on my chin, but it went. The fact that it touched my face. You know how hard I work on my face, plums.
Awuzwanda ngibona ulisathi. Hayibo, sebenze njani ma?
I don't know what these dogs be doing. If they're getting their vaccines and shit. So that's what happened there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the drama,
I
guys.
mean, I thought it was a bee because I know you're scared of bees.
You know, it wasn't a bee.
I thought you were running away from this.
It was a dog's spit. It was a dog's saliva.
Ah,
Do you see I'm a good person? How many are we? Let's say by 5, but the dogs are coming to me all the time.
mhlawumbe wasebenza wa-SPCA.
It's time that you guys appreciate me for the kind person that I am. There's no way that the dogs are coming to me only.
Yeah, we appreciate you.
Thank you. No, you don't.
We do.
You don't.
Not only me, but we do. I know Pinda appreciates.
Like the dogs are even
Yeah.
the dogs.
Four of them, they came to you.
Yeah.
Bonisa.
They didn't even go to Penda.
Mhlawumbe bezibonile. That's what the guy said.
Sibone ninja. So they relate.
Ah, yo, Fitz.
Anyway.
What you say? Masek Shubi.
I think, guys, I also want to apologize. I think I'm repeating an outfit. I only realized once I left the house. I was like, no, but I think I've worn this outfit.
Yeah.
I haven't.
Not once, not twice.
No, I've worn it once.
No, not
when
once.
when I had an afro. Remember when I had an afro?
It was not once.
It was.
Was that the only time when you had the Afro pen?
The outfit, this white thing with this
Because
purple
I still
thing.
remember the episodes we did when you were wearing these things.
I mean, it's my afro. Yes. So I didn't realize. I'm sorry, guys. I'm never gonna
Oh,
repeat
it's
an
okay.
outfit
Mpahla
again.
mazinga kazikho. But it's not everyone on a walk-in wardrobe. So thina abanye sibeka esitulweni, ubeka esitulweni. So
And sorry, guys, ndiyasokola nambahla.
that's what she should have said ekuqaleni angathi angafuni ukujustify that.
And ndiyasokola nambahla. And that's why I repeated an outfit today.
Yeah, and her mom is coming today to bring her impahla ezile. Ngiyaxolisa ukusho lokho, I don't know what I wanted to say, but since sikhuluma ngempahla, let me just say it ukuthi your mom is coming today bringing you.
Uzuzo rescue isho uNontsokolo wakhe.
Lo wakho yini?
uNontsokolo. So everybody izinto ezenzekayo ezikwi-industry. 1 minute you're bowling, 1 minute awunamali, awunambahla.
Kodwa wakho kubuhlungu yazi.
Hayi ngiphila kabuhlungu. Phila kabuhlungu kona ngiphila kabuhlungu.
Uphila kabuhlungu.
Anayo nefoni. Yo.
Usebenzisa le kama wakho.
Ebaka lokhu ibaka lokhu le phone ngoba sinayo nesend to replace
yini bethu.
I-phone. So andiyigele engenafo. Khani sidonate igezi ndizawuthenga ifoni.
Sana.
Andazi. Imbi.
Ndayincama mna nisayibona.
Davide shall be rap. All right, that's an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serabe. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serabe _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serabe.
On Instagram, it's welcome_Dlamini. 88 Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. On TikTok, uDlamini. Siyabo.
Danko.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serabe Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esidlangana nje nanokhaya.
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.